The Avalon 3 temperature self-cleaning bottle-less water cooler with child safety lock is made with an innovative stainless steel cabinet. It offers a choice of 3 water temperatures. The easy-to-use push-button spouts make it so much more convenient to use. Simply press the temperature button of choice and allow the water to flow from the given spout. The machine's highly efficient compressor makes the cold water crisp and ice-cold at approximately 47 degrees Fahrenheit without the need of adding ice cubes to your drink. The hot faucet is hot enough to cook one's tea or coffee or any other steaming hot beverage at approximately 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The tanks hold 1 liter of hot water and 3.6 liters of cold water. Due to the extremely hot water, we've added a child safety lock on the hot water faucet. There is a built-in nightlight making the water spouts clearly visible in the dark. This water cooler is bottle-less with an NSF certified activated carbon filter, listed as Model A5 filter, and a sediment filter, listed as Model A5 filter, in the cabinet and a water line that can be attached to your water source. The water is taken from your water source and filtered through the filter and then through the machine's hot and cold water tanks. The filter will purify the tap water, eliminating any chlorine, lead, rust, and bacteria. There is also a built-in leak detector to automatically monitor the water flow from the water source into the machine. We have incorporated a self-clean ozone function which will automatically clean the machine's water tank with the injection of ozone by the press of a switch. The water cooler is UL listed and complies with all standards of Energy Star. Setup is easy and the unit can be connected directly to your existing sink water line. All parts necessary for installation are included. The dispensing area is 12 by 3 by 10 inches with 9 inches of space below the spouts. The unit dimensions are 41 by 12 by 13 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation Kit. Full installation kit consisting of 20 feet of 1/4 of an inch tubing, 3-way plastic 1/4 of an inch push connect adapter, under sink 3/8 of an inch adapter with shut-off valve, filter flushing adapter, and detailed instructions with illustrations. Number 2. Dual filtration. Dual filters are included with the water cooler. This consists of a sediment filter and a carbon block filter which will last 6 months or 1,500 gallons. Number 3. Bottles. Our water cooler is bottle-less and will reduce the cost of constant purchases of water. The water is filtered with our dual filtration system consisting of a sediment filter and a carbon block filter. Number 4. 3 temperatures. 3 temperature settings allow you to customize your drinking experience. This dispenser features a crisp cold, cool, or piping hot output. Number 5. Self-cleaning feature. The self-cleaning ozone feature sanitizes and purifies the dispenser, which prevents the accumulation of harmful germs and bacteria for your safety. Number 6. Light the way. Our built-in nightlight makes the water spouts clearly visible at night and has a replace filter indicator that lights up when the filter needs to be replaced. Number 7. Child safe. This product is UL Energy Star approved and features a child safety lock on the hot water spout so the entire family can use it worry-free. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.